longer trip. So we're on the move again.
Yep. Yeah.
This is probably one of our longest.
It is the longest trip we're going to do.
We've topped up with the go-go juice.
Yep. And we're going...
Just as we got off the Isle of Ferman, there was a nice garage there. On the side of the road. We pulled in, topped up, and now we're making a mad dash to Holland. Just over the border.
Yeah. We had a slight change of plan.
We did.
We were going to drive to, where was it, Meppen or somewhere, yeah, around that area, and chance are stay at a stellplatz, but I got a bit nervous, didn't I? So what we're doing is, it might be 30 miles longer on the trip, but we're going to the campsite we stayed at first off, just over the border into Holland. So we're going back to Camping de Bouwte in Midwolda, aren't we? We booked it a couple of days ago. We booked it and paid for it. Yeah, so yeah, we got cold feet.
Hang on a minute.
Well, it's a long trip, this 250 odd miles, and I just think, oh, if you get there and it's late and you can't find anywhere, and anyway,
roadworks.
Whatever. That's what we're doing. So it's going to take us another 3 or 4 hours, I think. But we've got to navigate round Hamburg and round Bremen, so we'll see how long it takes. So we didn't do a walk round of that last campsite, did we? Absolutely massive, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely massive. Never stayed on such a big campsite.
Well,
I don't think we have. It's not our usual type of place. However, we were sort of on the edge of the campsite, weren't we? In where all the motorhomes were. We had a very nice super comfort pitch, didn't we? Which was very large. There was a really nice shower block. It was right opposite the sea, and it was really nice, wasn't it?
yeah.
Quite quiet. So we enjoyed it. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't the best, was it? While we were there, a lot of rain, thunderstorms, so we didn't manage to get out on our bikes and explore the island a little bit more. But as Dave says, it's just one of those things, can't be helped. But it was nice and relaxing. There was a fairly decent supermarket on there, wasn't there?
Yeah, the only downside was it only accepted German debit cards.
Yeah. So we had cash anyway, but
We had to dip in, or she had to run back,
yeah,
get some cash.
yeah.
They didn't even accept Lloyd's cards or anything.
No.
So,
Yeah, that was a bit thingy. But the rest of the places on the campsite didn't they?
Yeah.
The reception and all that.
we went for a nice meal, didn't we,
Yeah.
to the golf club.
Yeah, so there's a really nice golf course there, and we were parked next to the golf course, weren't we? That's where our mobile park was, and they had a very nice restaurant in there. So we went in there last night, didn't we, and had a nice meal and a bevy. And Toby could come with us. So, and they accepted your card, didn't they, your Monza?
Yeah. he was staying until the 5th of
July.
July.
But, I mean, you've never seen so many motorhomes with a bike rack on the back and then with all the surfboards on and the windsurfers and everything. I mean, they're taking it really seriously, weren't they? And the golf clubs. So I think it's quite a popular site for
and they're building a hotel for the golf.
Well, that was nearly finished, but there was a bit of building work. That was just beside where we were stopping. It wasn't noisy or anything, was it?
No.
It looked like the hotel was opening in June, so I think it looked mainly like they were doing the insides, weren't they?
Yeah.
But yeah, a very, very big resort. But having said that, it was alright. It was very nice. Very narrow roads to get to it though, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah, I had to pull over quite a few times, getting in and getting out.
Yeah.
But we survived.
Yeah. So we're on our way back to the Netherlands.
We're 32 miles into a
240 mile.
240 something mile trip.
Yeah, way to go yet. Catch you a bit later. Well, we've made it to the other side of Hamburg. That was alright this time, wasn't it?
Well, we haven't been snarled up for a couple of hours, so...
Yeah, going through Hamburg on that west side, going up. It was awful, wasn't it? But coming back on the other side, it's been alright.
Yeah. So we've actually done 101 miles so far.
150 to go.
Well,
149 to go. Yep, so we're heading towards Bremen now, on the A1.
so we'll look at stopping
Yeah,
reasonably soon.
yeah. Some lunch and let Toby out. Yeah, he's fast asleep on the back. Trouble is, when you stop for lunch and you let him out, he don't want to get back in, does he? Yeah. But yeah, it's not very...
So we thought we'd just give you a quick update. We're doing all right. We're on the E22, which is Route 1. We're on here for 60 miles by the looks of it.
Yep.
So we'll catch you in a bit.
So we stopped for some lunch. And then we got straight back on the motorway. And hey ho, into this, eh Dave?
Yeah.
Just outside
Dreaded
Bremen.
traffic jam.
Thought we were doing alright. As we got through Hamburg alright. If we remember rightly, there was some roadworks around Bremen when we came up, wasn't there?
Scolders.
I don't think it took this long. So yeah, welcome to... There's always roadworks on German roads. Isn't there?
There's always roadworks on everywhere.
No, but there always seems to be loads in Germany. Luckily we can get in this middle lane because this inside lane is just full of trucks and it is going very, very slow, isn't it, for them? They'll be here all night. But still, this was wine gums to keep us going. Hey.
Got to chew on a wine gum.
I know, very chewy, aren't they? Don't we buy
Swedish
those ones?
one.
Swedish one, yeah. Yeah, they are very chewy. Nice. I'm stuck to my teeth now.
Nice but chewy.
Yeah. Stuck to my teeth. So this is us, and we've got 99 miles to go. So our arrival time is now 3:30.
It was 20 past 2.
Yeah, yeah.
Never mind. Catch you in a bit.
Nothing we can do. Yippee! We've got out of first gear. Oh, that was a long old 4-mile crawl, wasn't it?
4-mile crawl for
GB.
about 2 lots of roadworks.
There's hardly any roadworks at all, was there? It's just sheer volume of traffic. And now, it's all, you can see it all backed up the other side. Oh. Anyway, let's put our time back quite a bit, hasn't it? Never mind. Still got an hour and a half to go. 92 miles. Good job we stopped when we did though, really, Dave, wasn't it? Let Toby out and that.
Yeah.
He'd been crossing his legs by now. No, it's more roadworks. No, it's more roadworks, look. Yeah, if you're in the truck, it takes a long time. Yeah, so if you're coming to Germany in the summer and you're coming round Bremen, be prepared for a bit of roadworks. That's all I can say. That's all you can say.
Yeah.
That's it. So, we're nearly there. We're just coming up to the border there, you can see Wiedersehen. And we've only got about 13 miles to go. It's been a bit of a long trip, isn't it, Dave? Hey?
235 miles worth of the minute.
A bit long.
I think this is where the
detour, didn't we,
At the
Dave?
roundabout, take the first exit.
After 0.4 miles, cross the roundabout and take the first exit, N362.
We had a little detour to the Jumbo store, get a bit of food, but the parking was horrendous, wasn't it, Dave?
Well, just difficult when it's a
yeah.
big motorhome.
Yeah, a small car park. So yeah,
At
we've
the
come up
roundabout,
on this
take the
roundabout.
first exit to N362.
Cross the roundabout and take the first exit, N362.
Got 138 miles left. So I'll fill it up with this.
Right, okay.
If it's still as cheap as
Yeah, it was before.
At the roundabout, take the first exit to N362.
After 300 feet, cross the roundabout and take the first exit,
this where we came off?
N362, then turn right.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, off here. Oh yeah, there's that petrol station. So now we're
After
gonna-
0.3
Leave
miles,
the car.
turn right, N985.
Yeah. That was another one where they wouldn't take the Monza card. I had no cash on me,
Turn
so
right at the traffic light.
I had to pay with my Lloyd's card. You,
Turn left at the,
Turn right, N985.
what is it? 159.
159.9, yeah. So, we're supposed to be going that way, but we're going this way so we can get some fuel. Because it's cheaper here. Oh, I've never known this junction's so busy. Never came this time of night before, have we?
AdBlue as well.
Oh, right. Yeah. So I'm sure you don't want to see us filling up.